So the last time I showed you how to make an EXE binder, this is it. You could only bind the EXEs. The separator was shit, it's not Unicode, it's black. Now, whoa, we got a file binder. I just named it EXE Binder 0.2. It's Unicode. You can use it like the last one for binding and opening. It's Unicode. I changed the separator because the last one was so simple that could fuck up the program. I did an user interface file binder, so you can use it much simpler than this one. This you needed to compile it and turn it in the command line and pass all the information. It's kind of shit. Now we got an UI, so you can do this much easier. It's done in C++ WinRT with WinUI3. I will give you the links to both of the file and the repository. Let's open it. So let me turn off the dark mode. I don't support that, sadly. Maybe in the future we will. So close this. You got an reset all button, which will reset the UI, all of it. Clear all, which will reset this item list. You got save as, how you want to save the file. The opener, you need to give the opener program that will open the files. You can use it. You can use the one you got or the one I showed you. Okay, let's throw some files. Two PDFs, one TXT, one EXE, one TXT again. Let's throw some photos. You can't throw shortcuts because they doesn't exist. For solution, I think that's it. So we got a bunch of files. Let's bind them. That was it. You got a progress bar, so you can see how the binding is going. We can close that. Let's open it. Woof, woof, woof. 1, 2 PDFs. Okay, close it. The photo, the TXT, the HPP, the EXE, the solution. Everything is here. Okay, the TXT again. Yeah, so I think that was it. If you got any questions, let me know.